All right, so I'm going to take my cleanser, my first cleanse, and I'm going to put it all in my hands, and I already screwed up. All my hands. There is a pre-wet section on your sheets. The pre-wet is just using your sponges. You can do it if you want. It's just pre-wetting the skin. So I already have my cleanser in my hands, so I'm not going to do that. So it's just décolleté with your sponges, neck, chin to ears, mouth, cheeks, up the nose, forehead, and then turn them over and lightly do the eyes. Okay? So now I'm going to apply my product. I have all of my product in my hand. I'm going to move it, meet and greet, apply it to her décolleté, move my hands, neck, chin to ears, cheeks, nose, forehead, and then I'm going to rotate at her temples 3 times. Okay? Now we're going to do our distribution movement. Distribution movements are always 3 times. So I'm going to emulsify my product. With water. I want to get as much water as I can because I want to suds it up on the skin so I don't have to go back and get water. Meet and greet. I'm going to start at the décolleté. I'm doing 3 circles, or I'm going to do more because we're learning here. So circles the décolleté, up the neck. I'm going to hug the chin, or like I'm praying. Go out, and then I'm going to use my Esty fingers, and I'm going to scissor her mouth, up the nose, around the eyes 3 times, temples 3 times. So since we do the distribution movement 3 times, I'm going to connect the face to the body with a hug, go down her neck, and do it again. Up the neck, hug the chin, scissor the mouth, up the nose, around the eyes 3 times, temples 3 times. Connect the face to the body with a hug and do it again. Circle at the décolleté, up the neck, hug the chin, scissor the mouth, up the nose, around the eyes 3 times, temples 3 times. Now I'm going to go to the manipulation movement. So our distribution is just putting the product all over, right? Distributing the product. Now I want to manipulate the product into the skin. So I'm going to go in with a hug, down the neck, and roll pat neck. Okay, it's just one hand after the other. Chin side to side. This is a petrissage movement. It's like a roll pinch. Around the mouth, I'm bracing with my Esty fingers at the chin, using my thumbs, and just doing small circles around her mouth. So around the mouth, outside cheeks, also called the kitty. One hand is going after the other. Change sides. 6 times each side. I'm keeping my transition and I'm going inside the cheeks. So I'm doing the whole entire cheek area with small circles with my Esty fingers. These are our Esty fingers. Do you know why we use our Esty fingers? Tell me, Patty. Least amount of pressure, yes. So inside cheeks. Then I'm going to go to the nose. It's called the butterfly. See? My top thumb always is doing all the work. So I'm doing small circles. My bottom thumb is just bracing. Then I'm going to switch sides. I'm going to zigzag up the nose, really concentrating in between the brow area. Then I'm going to lay down my Esty fingers and do large circles from the eyebrows to the hairline. and then ending at the temples 3 times. Okay? Then remove with your sponges. It's like the pre-wet movements. Okay, so there's your first cleanse. Now we're going to do the second cleanse. It's the distribution and the manipulation and the application, of course. So décolleté, neck, chin to ears, cheeks, up the nose, forehead and temples. Get my water.